The opening of the PBA's 41st season has a distinct feel of change in the air. The passing of the baton of commissionership to Chito Nervasa with the innovations, fresh basketball insights, and initiatives he brings to the table, the realizations and lessons from our Gilas team's jaw-dropping performance in the recently concluded FIBA Asian Games, the continuing stream of bigger, stronger, more fundamentally sound rookies year after year, the busy shuffling of players and coaches from one team to another in the quest for a year-defining breakthrough performance. The impending arrival of import reinforcements who are sharper and out to make a name for themselves on the back of a globally recognized professional basketball league in the PBA. All this tell us the PBA is moving to a new era of basketball that in the future may look and feel decidedly different from what we've seen in the past.
I can say it's with the new organizational setup in the PBA, I think mas lalong uunlad at uusbong ang PBA itong darating na 41st season, and it will cement its place as the #1 sports entertainment here in the Philippines.
Like what I've been trying to do with the players and the referees is bridging the gap of communication. So that's all that I want to do for this year, to make us understand that basketball is a simple game, and we just have to make sure that the rules are well understood and implemented.